over, where they feel that all love to the end of time. Everybody, so here's to the golden moon, and here's to the silver sea. But mostly here's a toast for you and me. Tiny bubble, hear the wine, it makes me happy, makes me feel fine. Tiny bubble, you makes me warm all over, where that feeling that all love to the end of time, where that feeling all love to the end of time. Yeah, that song was by Mr. Queen Lee, recorded by Mr. Don Ho. Thank you very much. Thank you.